And welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this onion juice shampoo for deep cleansing of the hair and scalp with just few ingredients. And this shampoo, this onion shampoo lathers very well without stripping your hair of its natural oil. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sylvia. I make DIY skincare and hair care products. So to make this onion shampoo for deep cleansing of the hair and scalp, I'm going to be using 2 balls of onion, and here I'm going to peel and cut, and I'm going to peel it, wash and cut it into cubes. Onion is one of the affordable hair treatments you can find. It is rich in nutrients that will nourish your hair follicles for optimal hair growth. It is rich in antioxidant and sulfur compound that will protect your hair follicles against oxidative stress. The antioxidants in onion juice also have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So this means if you're suffering from dandruff and itchy scalp, this with constant use of this onion shampoo, that will be over, because it will help clear the dandruff and also prevent it from growing, the bacteria from growing again in your scalp. So after cutting my onion, I put it into my beaker and then let's transfer it into the blender, and I'm going to blend this with no added water. Just blend the onion itself. The onion has water, it will produce its own juice. So after blending, this is my onion paste. The next is with my beaker and a strainer. I'm going to strain the onion to get the juice from it. After straining with my strainer, then I moved in with a cheesecloth to make sure there are no particles left in the juice. So at this point, I got 71 grams of onion juice from the onion. The next is to mix my here I have xanthan gum, 1 gram of xanthan gum and 5 grams of glycerin. I'm going to mix this together until there are no lumps in it. And this xanthan gum and glycerin mixture will serve as a thickener for this onion juice shampoo. It will serve as a thickener. After mixing the xanthan gum and glycerin, the next is to add it to transfer the mixture into the onion juice. And after transferring, I'm mixing it. The juice will thicken a little at this point. Then the next, in a different beaker, I'm adding my cocoa betaine, a mild surfactant that is safe to use both on adult and children. And the next I'm adding is my homemade liquid soap for hair and scalp, and also for the skin. The video tutorial will be below the link. You can click the link below this video to watch how I made the liquid soap. And after that, the next I added is my flaxseed extract. I'll still drop the link below this video in case you want to make it on your own, the flaxseed extract.